Oh, deformed taxi collectors. How many of us are there? It's me, and that's it. Anyways, FToys is known for confectionery toys. They're the little blind box toys. And I thought I was buying some choro-q sized things because proportionally these look like choro-qs. Not the case as these have shown up. These are much larger than choro-qs, but oh well, I bought them. Might as well review them. So these are all plastic, and they are real liveries. I looked up Nihon Kotsu, I saw through the bag, and that's this taxi right here. And I just looked up green taxi, and I guess maybe these green ones run around Shinjuku, that area. So you can see, yeah, it's not the exact same livery, but it's at least got this hazard striping there. So I am a little curious how wide these are. They look like they'd be like 1/43rd scale. These are 40 millimeters wide, so everything else is highly deformed, of course. Let's just get it out of the way now. Here's a choro-q, right? A choro-q is more like a 1/64 scale vehicle, and yeah, totally different size. Okay, well, let's take a closer look here. And these are pullback toys like choro-qs, so pretty strong motor. It's a choro-q size motor, I think, but being plastic, it's lightweight enough that it can still go. As you saw, the tire is removable and is made of a rubbery compound of sorts. The wheels, they are okay, I guess. They're not passing air, but yeah, these are cheap toys, I imagine. Okay, at least the wheels are equal sized, unlike choro-qs, which have the larger rear wheels. I prefer things to be equal sized. Alright, so yeah, the plastic body seems decent enough. I think it might be, yeah, it is molded in this color. You'll notice the bottom has no branding at all. It doesn't even tell you it's an FToys. That's kind of weird. Why wouldn't they just at least put FToys and Toyota Crown under there or something like that? It does have two screws holding it together, and then it's all tampo printed. No decals, no stickers. This is actual paint, which is nice, and it's quite legible, as you can see. Alright. Okay, little rub strip there, the black for the bumpers, orange for the turn signal. There's no interior, it's just paint here. So looks like a gray window with some black molding around it. I like how this has mirrors, that's pretty neat. They're rigid though, they're going to break off easily, so if you run into a wall especially. Alright, silver headlights. The grille has some texture there, and some printed on badge, I guess a Toyota Crown badge of sorts. And then it's just a blank license plate, some silver for the fog lights, and then just black for the rest there. Alright, windshield has some black molding around it. This Nihon Kotsu ball here, it's printed very nice. It's actually hard to print on a domed surface like that, but it's there. This stripe actually goes across the whole top. That's pretty neat. Alright, so it doesn't reach all the way, but it's nice that they went through that effort. The taillights have good paint here. Well, that one's a little messed, but silver, no actual Toyota badge, but it's got the oval shape of a Toyota badge. Yeah, black bumper. Yeah, all in all, it's really well detailed for what it is. Yeah. Alright, so the green version, same actual molded casting, except for the top light thing. It's like a pyramid with a bowl colliding into it and some green on the top. Oh, now look at that. I think that thing's cracked. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, yeah, that's too bad. It's cracked. So it's a rigid plastic. This one's chipped actually as well, so not so great. Okay. Well. I didn't pay too much, so I just have to live with it. I'm not even going to complain to the seller I bought it from. Alright. Yeah, so there's choro-qs again, just much smaller. This is also a Toyota Crown, by the way. But yeah, the choros have tall rear tires. The wheels are actually the same size, it's just the tires are huge. And I don't know, I don't like it. I also don't like the coin holders of choro-qs. It blocks a lot of the rear view. So I appreciate that these don't have such a silly thing. But I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep these things. They're just big. They don't really fit in with anything else I have. So Alright, I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Bye.